Okay, so children, today we are going to study subject grammar of class 3, right? Okay, so we have completed up till chapter number 11. Okay, so from today we are going to start chapter 12. Page number is 59. Okay, now see what is the chapter name? 12 chapter, simple past and past continuous. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about the simple past tense and the what is past continuous tense. Okay, now see here, first of all, see in the yellow box what is the definition given. What's that tell us about actions that have already happened in the past are said to be in past tense. Again, what's that tell us about the actions that have already happened in the past are said to be past tense. Now tell me what is the meaning of this. It means that actions, ठीक है, कोई भी चीज that is happened in the past already. Okay, we are for example we talk about yesterday. You were playing yesterday cricket. Okay, so that is about past tense, yes or no? So that thing is known as the past tense. Understand? Reached, for example, continued and lived. Okay, in the past tense, what we are going to add after the verb? We are going to add be, ed, and when in the verb it is given y, we will change it into I, and what we will add again, we will add ed. For example, carry, right? So what it came? Y. So how we will change here? Carried. So C-A-R-R. So y we will change into I, and what we will add? ed. Understood? Like this you make, it would be easy for you. Again, we will change y into I. So it is written carry. So write C-A-R-R and y. Instead of y, we will use what? I. And what we will add here? ed. Clear? Okay. And in another verb like reach. So reach we will add ed. Okay, and count. So counted, again ed, and live here also live. Okay, so we will move further with exercise. Here, change the given verbs into the simple past tense. These all are the verbs given here. This we have to change it into which? Into simple past tense. Clear? So what is the first number? Tell me. What does it return? It is talk. Right? So what we will write here of talk? What we will use in the last? Talked. So what it will be? Talked. Understood? What we will add here? ed. Clear? Now see here. What does it give? So give. What we will write? Gave. In the past tense, for example, I gave you book. Okay, so I gave you in the past tense. I gave you yesterday. Okay, so that is past tense. So we will write here gave. Clear? Okay, now see what is third number? It is raise. So what we will write? Raised. We will add ed. Understood? Now see, what does it? Worry. Come on, tell me, I have explained you. What we will do here? We will add here I instead of y. So double R, I. And what we will do now? We will add here ed. Understood? Okay, very good. Now what is it? Sing. So what we will write? Sing, sang and sung. So with the past tense we will write sang. Understood? Okay, now finish. तो क्या आएगा? Finished. Okay. Clear up till here? Okay, now see what is 7 number? Go. Go का क्या होता है? In the past tense it is went. Clear? Okay, now rain है. तो rain का क्या होता है? Rain. Love है. तो what it will be? Love. Clear? Are you understanding? We will add here ed after the verbs in the past tense. Now again it is bury. So what we will do instead of y? We will add here I, and after that we will use ed. So bury. Clear? Now see, dance. So danced. What we have add here? D. Clear? Now see the last number. Eat. Eat का past क्या होता है? Ate. Clear? Okay. Now see on the page number 6060. Have you opened? Okay. Now see fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the verb given in the bracket. In the bracket we have given some of the verbs, right? Okay. So we have to put that verbs into the past tense. For example, like this. Okay. Now see what is the first number. First number is the naughty children blank the window pane, and in the bracket it is given break. So break का क्या होता है? Break, broke, broken. Okay. So in the past tense what we will write here? Broke. Clear? Are you understanding? Okay. Now see second number. He blanked the bucket with the warm water, and in the bracket we have given fill. So he filled. Fill का past क्या होता है? What we will do here? Fill. Filled the bucket with the warm water. Clear? Now see what is the third number. Come on, read it. They blanked their tents to the camping site, and in the bracket we have given carry. So what we will do? What we will do after instead of Y, we will use I, and what we will add? Ed. Very good. Clear up till here? Okay. Are you understanding? Yes. Good. Now see. In the fourth number, the spider blank across the table, and it is written crawl. So crawl का क्या हो जाता है? Crawl. समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. Now see fifth number. What is it written? The villagers blank around the fire to warm themselves. Huddle. Huddle दिया हुआ है तो huddle का हम क्या करेंगे? We will write it huddled. Okay? Yes. The sixth number. The flight arrived half an hour before time. So arrive का क्या होता है? Arrived. We will add ed. Seventh number is mother. So mother blank all morning completing her project. Spend. तो spend का क्या हो जाता है? Spend, spend and again spent. In the past tense it is spent. Okay. Now Arnav blank his arm when he fell down. तो hurt है तो hurt का क्या होता है? Hurt का it is as it is we will write hurt only. Ninth number. The matron scolded all the nurses who were late. Scold. Scold दिया हुआ है हमको bracket में. We have given here scold. Okay. So what will be in the past tense? It is scolded. Understand? Now see the 10th number. Latika blank for Germany yesterday. तो leave है. Leave है. In the bracket we have given leave. Yes, you can see. So leave, left and the left. Okay. So in the past tense it is left. So what we will write? L-E-F-T. Left. Now see 11th number. The class blank Miss Menon a beautiful bouquet. Sorry. Bouquet. Okay. So give है. In the bracket we have given here give. Okay. So what we will write of give? Give का हो जाता है past gave. Understood? Like this. Okay. Now see the first 12th number. The bird blank to the big banyan tree, and we have given bracket here fly. तो fly का क्या हो जाता है? What we will write in the past tense? It is flew. The bird flew away on the tree. Clear? Hermit blank the two catch the school bus. तो run का क्या हो जाता है? Run, ran. So what we will write? Okay. Now see 14 number. She blank home after a month. तो ब्रैकेट में क्या दिया हुआ है? Return. तो return का क्या हो जाएगा? Returned. Clear? Very good. They blank lonely after they moved to a new town. Okay. तो field का feel है. It is written F-E-E-L. Feel. So what we will write of a feel? We will write is felt. So whatever we will be writing here feel. तो उसका past क्या होता है? Felt. Understood? Clear up till here? Okay. So we will meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.